silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice in the echoes of a whispered choice. The world is vast, a canvas wide, with every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound, in the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow, chasing horizons we'll never let go. Through the echoes of forgotten song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat we'll reach our goals. No more shadows, no more chains. In the tapestry of dreams, love remains. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound, in the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow, chasing horizons we'll never let go. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow, chasing horizons we'll never let go. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every heartbeat, we're leaving fear behind. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons, together we're home. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we're finally free. In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice in the echoes of a whispered choice. The world is vast, a canvas wide, with every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound, in the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. So here's to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every heartbeat, we're leaving fear behind. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons, together we're home. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we're finally free. In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn on, we gather strength, we raise our voice. In the echoes of a whispered choice, the world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat, we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of forgotten song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step, we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat, we'll reach our goals. No more shadows, no more chains. In the tapestry of dreams, love remains. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar, unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear.